Two healthcare giants, one crucial decision, UnitedHealthcare or Humana. On one side you've got UnitedHealthcare, the nation's largest health insurer. On the other, Humana, a leader focused on Medicare and senior care. Let's put aside the marketing and dive into what really matters. We'll be giving out points in each category so you can see for yourself who stands out in the end. Trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Okay, real quick, let's get our bearings. Here's a mind map of everything we're gonna look at: premiums and costs, network size, coverage options, customer service, Medicare Advantage, and finally, digital experience. Ready? Let's go through them one by one. Starting off with premiums and costs. UnitedHealthcare comes out swinging with a massive variety of plans, and yeah, they're known to be pretty competitive, especially if you get employer coverage. And this is a big but, you might run into some higher out-of-pocket costs, and honestly their fee structure can get a little wild. Now, Humana is kinda the opposite. They throw down some super affordable Medicare Advantage plans, and I actually love how transparent their pricing is. Like, you just know what you'll pay. Downside, not a ton of employer options. Still, when it comes to bang for your buck, Humana quietly takes the win here. Next category, network size. UnitedHealthcare, oh man, they just blow the roof off with the largest national provider network. If you're traveling, moving, whatever, you're probably covered. The only thing I'll say is, if you're living somewhere rural, maybe there's a bit fewer docs in your area. Flipping over to Humana, they're really flexing in Medicare networks, but honestly their national footprint isn't as huge. Great for certain folks, but UHC, they're the real MVP for networks. Now, coverage options. UnitedHealthcare is honestly all over the map in a good way. Individual plans, employer, Medicaid, Medicare Advantage. It's almost overwhelming how many choices you get. Like, you might actually get decision fatigue. Humana, though, puts pretty much all their eggs in the Medicare basket. Their plans and supplements are solid, but you won't find as much if you're not, well, of that age. So for sheer variety, UnitedHealthcare wins this one too. Oh, and here's something cool I just found out. Did you know UnitedHealthcare covers over 26 million Americans? That's just wild when you think about the scale. Let's talk customer service. UnitedHealthcare hits you with a bunch of ways to get help. They've got apps, chat, classic phone calls, the works. But if you dig through customer reviews, oof, it's kind of a mixed bag, and sometimes the claims process feels like it's happening in slow motion. Humana, on the other hand, gets a lot of buzz, the good kind, for keeping their Medicare folks happy. Their service does vary depending on where you live, and yeah, occasionally you'll still get stuck waiting, but overall, Humana tips the scale here, especially if you value customer satisfaction. Alright, let's go deep on Medicare Advantage. UnitedHealthcare is like the buffet, tons of plans, lots of strong features, but you might notice it can end up pricier than you expected, especially compared to Humana. Humana is, no kidding, highly rated for their Medicare Advantage plans. They even throw in extra wellness perks, which is honestly kinda nice if you like a little pampering. Now, outside of Medicare, Humana's not as competitive, but for this category alone, Humana is the one to beat. Last up, digital experience. UnitedHealthcare seriously shines here. They've got this great app, super comprehensive website, telehealth. It's all very slick. Maybe even a little too much for some folks, but if you love tech, you'll probably be into it. Humana keeps things simple, user-friendly, but doesn't really push the envelope with fancy digital features. So if you're wanting that next-level online experience, UHC grabs this win. So just to recap, if you looked at a radar chart right now, you'd see UnitedHealthcare dominating in network size, coverage, and digital. But Humana, they're totally rocking it on affordability, customer service, and of course Medicare Advantage. Honestly, if you want tons of choices, a huge network, and you're maybe hopping around states or care about digital tools, UnitedHealthcare is the clear pick. But if Medicare is your main game and you want great service for a good price, Humana's not just good, it's really impressive. It kinda comes down to what you need right now. If you found this helpful, stick around and hit that subscribe so you don't miss our next spotlight.